Welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're in the picturesque Santa Margarita Mobile Home Park, located in the charming town of Santa Margarita, California. Living in Santa Margarita offers not just a beautiful home, but also stunning views and access to all the outdoor activities this area has to offer. If you're into outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or exploring local vineyards, Santa Margarita has it all. We're also just 30 minutes away from downtown San Luis Obispo, which has tons of stuff for you to do. Plus, Avila Beach is just a short drive away, offering you a perfect coastal getaway whenever you need it. The home we're touring today is an ADU from Fleetwood Homes Canyon Lake Series 2023. This cozy home features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and offers 624 square feet of well-designed living space, all within a 12 by 52-foot footprint. Priced at $169,900 with a space rent of $975 per month, this ADU is a fantastic opportunity for affordable, modern living. Now, let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, you can see the sleek contemporary design that Fleetwood Homes is known for. The attached carport provides convenient covered parking, a must-have feature in this peaceful community. As we step inside, we're greeted by this bright and open living area. The floor plan is designed to maximize the space, with tons of windows letting in plenty of natural light. Before we explore the rest of the living area, let's check out the first bedroom at the front of the home. This bedroom faces the street, and like the other bedroom, it features a standard mirror closet. It's a cozy space. Back in the living room, you can really appreciate the 9-foot flat ceilings that give this home an open and airy feel. Moving into the kitchen, you'll see that it's fully equipped with modern Whirlpool appliances, including a dishwasher. The sleek, soft closing cabinets and the gooseneck faucet in the sink add a touch of elegance to this compact space. Despite the home's size, there's a ton of storage throughout, making it incredibly functional. Just off the kitchen, we have the utility area. There's enough space here for a side-by-side washer and dryer, and you'll find more storage options to keep everything organized. Now, let's take a look at the bathroom. It's designed with a modern aesthetic, featuring a stylish vanity light fixture and a shower tub combo. It's a well-thought-out space that maximizes both form and function. Remember to always add a light or a window above the shower. Finally, we have the second bedroom located at the rear of the home. It's similar to the first bedroom, with a standard mirror closet and enough space for your essentials. It's a great option for guests or as a home office. Would you live here? Thank you for joining us on this tour of an ADU in Santa Margarita, California. If you're looking for an affordable, modern living option with incredible scenery and a vibrant community, this could be the perfect home for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more home tours and expert insights. See you next time.